Hey D Squad,
Hey lovely people,
welcome back to another video, guys. This one, alright, we've been procrastinating on this one for quite some time, but we want to bring it to you guys because we feel it is very, very important, and it's the right time, you know, never too late.
I mean, we're always the ones that, we just like to bring our knowledge and bring honesty to you guys. So we cover a lot of new developments on our channel. But the fact is, there are so many pre-owned homes out there on the market that are for varying prices. So a lot of the time, persons come and they're like, all right, I want to buy a home, but Jesus Christ. So listen, like there are prices, there are houses out there for different prices. There are $7 million house out there. Yeah, $5 million house out there, but bear in mind that the price comes with location and what is given in the house.
Right.
And there's a house out there for everybody.
Correct.
Alright? So today, without further ado,
yeah, man,
we are going to bring you private treaty homes.
Yes.
And home for sale on the open market.
Right.
Alright? So this is one of the methods that is not owed to us. We actually did this. This was the first thing we did when we were house hunting.
Yeah, when we're actively searching for homes for ourselves.
Yeah.
Alright, so what's a private treaty listing?
So the banks have homes that they themselves are reselling.
Yep.
So they were previously owned by other persons. Now the banks are selling them.
Yep.
Alright? For various reasons. That's so nice.
I guess, yeah.
So you can always go on these websites to look at what the banks are offering. It's called private treaty because it's not on the open market. Like, it's just the banks are selling it for themselves.
Right. All right, so we're gonna like show you one or two of the listings. All right, so for example, we're gonna start with the Sagicor private treaty. So when you Google Sagicor private treaty, basically this PDF document will appear, this top one. So you go on it, immediately the listings come up. Immediately the listings come up, right? So you have parish over here, location. It actually tells you how to access the property. So if you want to actually go and look at the property in person, you can do that. You go, you have a look. It gives you a brief description about the property as well. Right?
So when we were you can go and scroll through and stuff. When we were looking for property and we went through all the private treaties that the banks have to offer, we looked at the houses that we liked, took screenshots in the area, and we literally had evenings after work when we would just be in the cars driving around to the different places to look at the homes.
Them. Yes, you won't have access to actually going inside, but you can have a general idea. Remember, these homes are not new houses, right? They've been around for a long time, and most times what happens is they sell for cheaper than like market value, or you know. So
and you'd have to approach the bank, I think, to actually have a look inside. So we would go and we look at the community, the environment, we look at the house itself, to get a pretty good idea of what we're about to get into. All
right, important to note as well, if you go on this month and you don't see anything interesting, you can always revisit in the future. So this listing is actually from VMBS. So VMBS have their own listings as well, and they have some interesting properties here. So like one in St. Andrew, Forest Hill, St. Andrew, they tell you the price, the asking price. This is 41 million. Right, but what really caught our eye was this one here, Caribbean Estate, townhouse in Caribbean Estate. Just last week we had done an actual tour of the Caribbean Estate community, right? So if you guys want to see what the community looks like, you can revisit that video, and we're gonna put it in the info card right over here, right? So check it out. All right, so yes, you get pictures and everything, and that's at 24 million. All right, so we're gonna actually take a look on this particular property shortly. Man, so stick around, guys.
We are actually in the community. We're at Dominica. We're about to go and look at the home that we saw. Remember, this is not, some places you probably won't be able to go because this is a gated community. You won't be able to go if you know the average person won't be able to go.
So we have connections. So
we ain't average. I'm just kidding. I am really just kidding.
But I mean, if you're really serious, when you can reach out to the persons responsible and
Yeah, man, have a see. Like, this is to basically find when you go, you look, you find, make a note of what you like.
Yes.
Call the people them up. I want this.
Right.
Can I come and have a look? Can I come and see? Alright, guys, here we go. So we are on a little look see.
Yep.
What are we looking for? 77?
Yeah. Alright, so around here actually quite nice, you know?
Yeah, I actually like these. These are the town houses. And they look really nice on the outside.
Yeah.
You also get space to the side and you get space to the back. I like it. Yeah. So it's a pretty good neighborhood. And I think the price is excellent as well.
Yes.
Considering the price for housing nowadays. Guys, I remember King's Landing, yo. The people them cussing in the comment section about the house price and them go on bad, remember?
Yeah, man, them go on bad, man.
You notice all the comment section stay nowadays?
Yeah.
No cussing then now, eh?
It's about price. About
pricing,
yeah.
like, and persons used to say, oh, where you're getting at Jamaica for the money and say a matches box, remember?
Yeah,
the matches box argument was at King's Landing, but now y'all seen what's happening now. You see the King's Landing is a pretty good buy. Yeah. So here we are, we're looking for the number
64.
Yeah.
69.
I saw 80 on this side. That is 69. Right here, so. Right here, so. We got it. We found it.
Yeah.
Looks vacant as well. Alright, so this is it. Alright, guys, so this is it. This is the driveway. Right, so this is the house, guys, and remember this house is partially attached, so that is another unit over next door, but you get this space over this side and you get the back. Yeah, and there's actually a perimeter wall there, which is excellent. Alright, so you see this is the space that you basically have on the outside. I'm not quite sure about the building perimeter with these townhouses, but yeah, you see that there are two windows. You have the flat section, then you have the upstairs, of course. You have the the grassing on this side. I don't know if it's a community responsible for this or it would actually be the homeowner. Solar water heater on top of the roof, and then you have the palm trees right here, which I think is a pretty nice touch. I actually like that. So let's see the space at the back when you compare it to the house. Go down some more. Remember, we're not coming out looking at the house, alright? So nobody expect that in that video here. Alright, so this is the space. So you see that is the back of the house right here, and this is the perimeter. Wow, so look at that. That's the space you would get. I think it's a pretty good space actually, from what we're seeing.
Yeah, so I mean, we definitely approve this buy, you know. We
love this buy.
Now, of course, we don't know what the inside look like.
We don't know the damage. There might a pre-owned home.
Yeah, I wouldn't know how well it was being maintained and stuff like that. But this is a really nice community, so it's worth it. I'm sure. Yeah. Sometimes it's not move-in ready, so you'd have to do some additions. You'd have to probably retile or paint the walls or fix a roof, or it really depends on what you're buying. Fix the bathroom to your liking. Yeah, maybe there's like plumbing leak. Who knows,
yes. So it's different. You can fix it. Sometimes the homes are perfectly fine, but you have a different taste and different requirement. So you are gonna have to basically fix the home to tailor you and your family's needs. Alright? So this is also one of the ways that we looked for homes, and we actually found a few. So we actually found quite a few homes this way.
Yes.
We found a few that we liked. At the time we were looking at probably $12 million. We found a house for $5 million, and I think we're so stupid because we never bought that home. We should have bought that house. We regretted that.
Yeah, I was in Greater Portmore at one point.
Yeah.
We could have fixed it up. We could have fixed it up and sell it back.
Yeah, and it's like I just have this energy. I want to do that anyways. We're not getting at that because that's a whole different story. But we could have bought that house and we could have fixed it up and would have at least made $3 million on that home. Anyways, we were stupid. Don't be stupid like
Don't be
us.
stupid like us.
Alright?
Yeah.
But we found quite a few homes that we really liked, but we found another home that we really loved, so we went for the one that we loved instead.
Yeah.
Right? But there are so many different options
A lot
out
of
there.
opportunities are there, right? So don't just get
Yes.
boxed into thinking that you have to buy in
And
a
brand
new
new
development. You know, there are other nice communities that are out there. Persons, whether private treaty or even on the otherwise, that persons are willing to sell, you know?
Yeah.
You can go around, look for a house that probably is in disrepair and just offer the persons a good amount of money, you know, a money that you know that you can still spend and put it to a level that, you know, you're comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Just be wise with your investment. So yeah, this is one of the routes that we used, private treaty, and we actually went around and looked at homes.
Another method that can be used also is actually looking in the classified, looking in the ads. So
yeah, looking on the open market.
yeah, man, definitely. Yeah, so here we go, guys. We're gonna actually grab a classified paper right now and just have a look in there, right?
Yes.
All right. Yep. Sunday. All right, we're actually gonna buy the paper. All right, can I have a Sunday Gleaner, please? All right. Good morning. All right. Yeah, man. Thank you. What's the cost for a Sunday Gleaner these days?
So it's 185.
185. Okay, you see, you don't have a problem with the camera, right?
No, I don't.
Okay, what's your name?
Debian Chambers.
Debian Chambers. All right, good to meet you.
Same here.
Yeah, man. So, you live nearby? You live in the area?
Yes, I live at Delpratt.
Okay, just up the road. Okay, we are on, this is what you call Portmore Road.
Yes.
Right, in Portmore, of course, right? But not the Portmore Road that you guys familiar with. It's more like heading to Spanish Town. All right, so yeah, we come here, we pass here from time to time, and you know we get with Sunday Gleaner. Yeah.
Good old Sunday.
Right, yesterday, the boy them never do too well at all in the 4x1, you know.
But the girl them
Indeed.
shot. Girl them do them
To me, they were disappointing as well.
And
To me, them did for win. You know.
that is true. Them have a little fumble, but we still proud of them. We
Right.
still proud of the man them to them thing, you know.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think we've gotten so used to winning and we're coming first that sometimes we're like, why? But
Yeah, so
yeah.
one Sunday Gleaner now is 185. So we're gonna look for the classified section. Alright?
let's go now to the open market. You see in the Sunday classifieds, the Gleaner Sunday classifieds, you're gonna see sale, house, that's apartment, you're gonna see corporate area, you're gonna see St. Catherine, you're gonna see island wide. So you're looking the sections for the, if you want corporate area, if you want St. Catherine, or you want the rest of the country. Alright, so I saw one right here for 22 million. It is Dunrobin Acres and it is a 2-bed, 1-bath, newly renovated, bi-level, and the number is there as well. $22 million. This is all in the corporate area. So basically this is in Kingston that you're getting these prices for. Alright, that's an apartment. Let me find another one. Beverly Close, Kingston 19. And it says own your piece of the corporate area today. 3-bedroom, 3-bath with a bonus room, inside washroom and a 2-car garage. $25 million. Alright, and there are varying prices that you can find in here. You have companies that have multiple listings
and private persons as well. Guys, important to note, go through it week by week. You might just find some within your price range, within the area that you're looking for. So week by week you pick up the paper and you look, right? The classified is also available online. You can pay for a subscription and you get it online. All right. And
remember, when you're going for house hunting, house renting, be cautious. There are persons out there who are scammers and are scamming persons, saying that they're renting homes that they don't own,
or they're selling
homes that they don't own. So get your lawyers. I mean, we did a really good extensive video on how to go about purchasing a home in Jamaica. So go to our channel, binge watch our content, because you can't go wrong. That video is there. So go and check that video out because it gives you basically a guideline.
So what's required?
You know, put on your thinking caps.
Yeah, man.
Be cautious in all things, and yeah. So there are houses everywhere, and you can get something that you like. As Adrian said, go on round.
Yep.
Every week you go on looking at your classifieds, and if you like a particular area, you can go and peruse that area to see if there are any homes that are up for sale as well.
Yes. So as we mentioned about the private treaty, I think we only mentioned two. We show you Sagicor, and we show you I think JN. Basically all the commercial banks would have their own private treaty, or should I say banks in Jamaica that offer mortgages.
Not only
right?
banks,
so,
but financial institutions. So for example, credit unions
yes,
as well.
Yes. They would have their private treaty listing. So just go ahead, Google whether NCB, JN, as we show you Sagicor. There are a number of them are there. So just search. Alright guys, so we hope this video was informative. Right? We hope we open your eyes a little bit more, and
yes,
you know, our eyes have been opened as well, because we really like the townhouse that we just shown a while ago.
Yeah.
You understand? So yeah man, if you're not interested guys, check it out. As we said, we did a tour of the Caribbean estate development only recently, so we're gonna put the link in the description for and pin comment as well for that video, so check it out. All right,
yo guys, you realize how interesting the Delpratt family is over here? One have to realize that we are going to do self over here.
Yeah man,
we're pushing out content, relevant content. You can't afford to miss our videos.
Definitely.
Have you subscribed yet?
Yes.
Someone who will watch the video
and don't subscribe,
watch the content and don't subscribe. Remember, our videos are not only entertaining, but they also are educational. So
definitely
give us back your support and subscribe to our channel, because it does help us to reach more persons. All right, so subscribe to our channel, turn on your post notification bell, so when we post a video you will see it automatically all the time.
Also, if you are interested in becoming an Airbnb host, remember our affiliate link in the description as well. All right, just a little way to give back to us, and you also get money as well when you use our link to sign up, and you get a booking, right? So you get money from that as well. So check it out. Affiliate link for becoming an Airbnb host in the description. Yeah guys, so thanks for watching as always.
Give us a thumbs up on this video.
Alright guys, peace.